Greetings from LSM Academy. So in this video we are going to check what is smart identification in object identification. So clicking on tools, we get object identifications. So on choosing any of the element in any environment, you would see an option here like enable smart identification. So what is this enable smart identification? So if you enable this particular thing, you would get a configure button where you would be able to add two properties, which one is base filter properties and optional filter properties. You can add any of the properties for that particular element in this two properties, so either in base filter properties or optional filter properties. On enabling this thing, when you record something, let's say I'm gonna record this dialog login. You can check the enable smart identification for this particular dialog is enabled as true. So you can change here also to false, or else if you want to totally disable the enable smart identification, you can do it in the file settings. So disable smart identification during the run session, and this disables smart identification for all the elements that is captured in the test. When you disable smart identification during the run session, here in the test settings, clicking on apply and OK. Now if you check the object repository, so you can find that enable smart identification is disabled. That is, you can't change the value to true or false. So this is all about smart identification in identifying the objects.